placed on 0.02 square centimeter area. Find the pressure exerted on the ground. Why? Here area is given as square centimeter. Right. When we are going to take the answer for this question, firstly, we should convert the square centimeter into the square meter. Last day I told you how to convert the square centimeter into square meter. Right now look at here. Now there is a 20 kilogram object. 20 kilogram object. What is the 20 kilogram means? 20 kilogram means mass of this object. Why? Kilogram is used to measure the mass of the object. But when the 20 kilogram object is placed on the ground, right, area of this object is 0.02 square centimeter. Right. Then how to exert the pressure? When 20 kilogram object placed on the area, how to exert the pressure? Pressure is exerted due to exerting, if not acting, weight of this object on this area. What is the weight? If the mass is 20 kilogram, what is the weight? Last day I have told you the method to how to find the weight. What is the equation used for this? W is equal mg used to find the weight. Right? M means mass. What is the mass? 20 kilogram. G. G is the gravitation. What is the value of the gravitation? The value of the gravitation is 10. Unit of the gravitation? Meter per square second or newtons per kilogram. Then what will happen? Kilogram per kilogram can be cancelled. What will remain? 20 times 10 Newton is 200 Newton. This is the weight. Right. And then we will go to find the area. What is the area? Area is 0.02 square centimeter. Square centimeter. Then tell me how to convert the square centimeter into square meter. How to convert the square centimeter into square meter? Tell me. Right. We can write this one 1 centimeter times 0.02 centimeter. Then we know how to convert the centimeter into meter. How to convert the centimeter into meter? For this, we should divide each value by 100. When 1 centimeter divided by 100, it becomes into the meter. When 0.02 centimeter divided by 100, what will happen? It is also become into the meter. Then 1 times 0.02, what is the answer? 0.02. 100 times 100, what is the answer? 10,000. Meter times meter, what is the answer? Square meter. Right. Then we can find the pressure by using the equation of the pressure. No? What is the equation of the pressure? Pressure is equal force divided by area. Pressure is equal force divided by area. What is the force we found? Force is the weight. Force is 200 Newton. I will write this one. Divide 0.02 divided by 10,000 square meter. Then 200 Newton. I will put multiple sign. If we put the multiple sign, we should take the reciprocal. No? Reciprocal, it means 10,000 divided by 0.02 square meter. 0.02 square meter. Right. To remove the 0.02 square meter, what is the method? I will multiply 200 times 10,000 means Newton. Divide by 0.02 square. How to remove the 0.2 square meter? How many decimal places are there here? There are 2 decimal places now. if there are two decimal places, we should multiply it by 10 or 100 or 1000. 100, no, you already learned about if there is a one decimal place, you should multiply it by 10. If there are two decimal places, you should multiply it by 100. Here contain two decimal places. Therefore, it should be multiplied by 100. Right. Denominator is multiplied by 100. So, numerator also should be multiplied by 100. Then what will happen? Numerator becomes into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Newton divided by 2 square meter. Then 2 divided by 2, 1. Then 8. Unit is Newtons per square meter. It is similar to the Pascal. It is similar to the Pascal, right? When you are going to find the answer like that first question, firstly you should concern about the unit of the. මේ වගේ ගානක් හදනකොට හොඳට බලා ගන්න. නේද? මේ වගේ ගානක් හදනකොට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? යුනිට් ගැන හිතන්න පොඩ්ඩක්. තේරුණා? දැන් මේක දීලා තියෙන මේ මෑස් එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ කිලෝග්‍රෑම් වලින්. නේ? ඒරියා එක දීලා තියෙන මොනවා වගේද? කියුබික් සෙන්ටිමීටර් වලින්. නේද? ඔයාලා මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? සුපුරුදු පරිදි මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? f is equal f මේ දැම්මම මොනවා හරි දෙයක් දාලා අවසානට මොකක් හරි උත්තරයක් ගන්න. එහෙම උත්තර ගන්න එපා. තේරුණා? දීලා තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? හොයන්න තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද කියලා හොයන්න. තේරුණා? රයිට්. හදාගන්න ඊට පස්සේ මම තව ප්‍රශ්නයක් දෙන්නම් රයිට්. මම